just the 3 defective drains. Right, cavity wall construction property. What we're going to show you here is, just that there's a massive amount of scale building up there, and obviously that's going to slow anything coming down. It's also going to help everything back up. So what we're trying to do is work out why this property's damp. And very common problem. So you can just see here, we've got kitchen waste there. So it's all going to be running down there. We've run the tap so you can actually see it happening. But what I want to show you is, look, again, you've got quite a lot of damp along the base of the wall there. It's just going to show you why. So we're on the drain now. Just going to pull this back so you can see this. So we're just coming now up to the drain and you can see massive displacement there. So you've got all that water there, that's all going to be running, well, not say all of it, but a lot of it's going to be running down there and soaking the ground. And also, what can you see there? There's probably, I don't know, about 5-10% of the drain submerged in water. I haven't done that bit yet, but you can see why now. These basic things here like this is going to relate to sort of dampness within the wall. And this is the risk when using cavity wall insulation. You've got these defects and they don't get checked. Part 2. So you can see there's a lot of water there, so that's probably concealing something. If you just see here, it's coming back in now. And you can see the tissue. Starting to go underwater now, it's 2.75. So completely submerged. And something's there, there's a damage in the pipe there. You can feel it. So really you've got a good old couple of meters there of the camera underwater, and there's definitely some damage in the pipe. I can feel it. So you can actually see now, these is why you're getting these issues with the damp there. And also you can actually see, like when you got like a lot of the mortar blowing as well, like this is typical of long-term problems. So you can see it, and they're normally around the drains if there's drainage issues. And if you're looking around sort of like other areas, maybe sort of like there, you don't see it as bad. But when you come to the drainage areas, you can see it. That's just a bit of a clue, especially when you can see stuff like that. It's pretty evident that's what's going to be going on there. So you can imagine if you've got some of that old crappy insulation there blown there, it's going to be soaking wet. Right, same property. Damp beneath the damp-proof course. As you would expect, the damp-proof course is working perfectly. Not interested in that. If you're not interested, if rising damp don't exist, it's not what that's about. But you can actually see all this mortar's all soft there. Just taking the drain apart, went to put the drain camera down, and this is what we got. Completely blocked. As you can see there, completely blocked. So, obviously there's some condensation issues here. There's some damp issues within the cavity. And you can see this is obviously a clear cause of dampness problems, and it's probably been going on a little while. So if you do have a damp problem, make sure you eliminate all the potential causes before coming to a conclusion, and that way when you carry out the repair it's going to work. Thanks for watching.